Today, we will have a quick look at how to create and define basic components in your Lumira dashboard. Now, for this example, we're going to use a simple text field with the word hello written initially on it, followed by a button component, which we will, with very simple scripting, specify that when you click on the button, the text in the text field will change to hello world instead of hello. So now firstly, we drag and drop the text field wherever we want in our dashboard. We can then identify further the placement of the text component by defining the margins, the width and the height. And you can also change the name of the text component, and here especially change the text itself. So by default it's written as sample text. We'll put hello. Now what we do next is we drag and drop the button component wherever we want as well. We can define the same parameters as the text field. So the text will just say hello, for example, increase the width, and this is where we will define the script. So it's an event on click. So on clicking of this button, what happens? Very simply, we will refer to the text field we've specified, and there is a function called setText, and in the brackets you put 2 quotation marks and you specify the new text, and you finish that off with this symbol. All is good. You press OK, press save, and now we run. As you can see, we have the initial state, and when we click on say hello, we have hello world. Thank you, and see you soon.